and welcome to Random Races Water 3x3. Dot, start mixing my cube.
Start mixing my tail.
What we're gonna do is Dot is going to swim with her mermaid tail from this side of the pool to that side of the pool, and I'm gonna solve the 3x3 underwater. Whoever finishes their challenge first wins. If you take a breath, you're disqualified.
Okay, put it this way. And I'm gonna get in position.
I get a 5-second head start because Dot's a little bit faster in that mermaid tail, so I'm gonna go now. Did I win? Darn it. So there you have it. Swimming from one end to the pool in a mermaid tail is faster than solving a 3x3.
Subscribe!